Hey, Dan here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to talk about Align technology today. Now, this stock has been on a tear. I have actually used their product. They do the teeth thing, that makes your snaggle teeth actually, not too bad. It keeps you from having tiger's breath. Because you can't floss and you got all this gunk in your teeth, and it's just an absolute mess. And so now, my breath smells fresh as a flower. And it's because my teeth are so darn straight. And thank you very much to this company for that. So, what do we got here? Stock gapped up here, and since that time here on earnings last year, it's just run and run and run. And it hasn't really given you much of an opportunity to buy. Maybe a little bit here. Definitely a little bit here, but as you can see, that was actually just before earnings. And so it's a problem to buy stocks like this. You just don't have that many opportunities. But you can see the stock's been in a long base for the last few years, and now it seems to be taken off again. So I look at this, and I think this is a good time. It's a good, not the greatest, because it'd be nice to see the stock kind of drifting around here a little bit more, and maybe it will, kind of forming a little bit more of a base and then breaking out like that. It'd be nice to see that. But, we're not seeing that, not yet. We are seeing the stock, though, hold in this range, and it was up today on a really nasty day for the NASDAQ, and so that's good. What I would suggest doing is taking a look at this stock and then just have your stop down here. If the stock falls from where you're buying it here down to there, then you need to be out of the stock or at least reduce your position. You can see every once in a while a penetration of the 50 and then the stock rockets up. I think this is a problem for a lot of traders where I look at the 50-day moving average a lot, but I don't rely on it as like the Bible of trading. There's too many times when you'll see a stock penetrate the 50-day moving average here by over 3%, stops everybody out, and then the stock recovers again. So you want to be using the 50-day moving average as just kind of a general reference. And here we are back at the general reference. So I think you could just buy this and hold it as long as the stock doesn't fall below here. So, by the way, let me mention something to you. In tonight's or this weekend strategy session for members, I'm going over a trade that I just put on before the close, and you can put it on Monday, where I can make up to almost 20% on Carnival Cruise by using the stock and the calls and the puts. And I really, really like this trade. So I want you, if you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, join. You get a free trial. So you can make that trade. And then once you make that trade and you make all this money, you're going to thank me. You're going to say, Dan, thanks very much. And yeah, by the way, nice teeth. Your breath isn't that fresh, though. And then you're going to thank me for that, and you're going to stay a member of Stock Market Mentor. Okay, so anyway, give that a shot. I'll see y'all on Monday.